Wire 24/7 akudlalwa.
Serious.
No abantu bala kule lento imali mina. Bantu abadlali. Any problem yalento lena yona akhe yabo. Bantu abafuni kusebenza mina kethu. Bantu bafuna imali iputshuke.
Isikhaleni. And angazi aba adopt into abantu labasebenza emadini.
And ngifuna ukuhlaba ngale question on air. Yeah, ngifuna nje abantu bachazele ukuthi amadoda emaqinisweni onke yabo. Lento leyo ukuthi kunemali lelula. Ngoba nayo le mali lelula ingafika idleka lula yabo.
And tap.
Yabo.
So phela ngespeed iphelile, ngespeed uyathi umuntu ufuna kophanda lenye.
Kumele siyade vele. Mune umuntu unyalo it's high time. Wonke umuntu ubuyela enzaweni yakhe, etalenteni lakhe, you focus in your dreams yabona.
Ukhipha lo dalelo kona.
Akuphumele ama juices bantu abasebenza. Sikhazoba popa
isiphila. Umuntu avuke kusenathi ukuthi ngiyophanda ini.
Lento lesikhawathaka kulento lesipani, lento islimatile le. Ngoba we ended up sa understand ukuthi imali akufuneki sipostressa ngayo kakhulu nje. Uhambe emsebenzini bese ngibakunika imali. Lento le ikhawathi.
Hey
baby. Sure. Hey mfethu. Bathi usicisho wangifonela ngiselo. Ngisemoyeni. Ngihlanga ukutshela ngesibine nangise studio ngiyashoot. Cala ungibhaze. Sengibuya kuwe yabo. Frya letinto lo muntu uyedana kanjani engalihlala ngedanga ya. Yeah, bantu busy mfowethu. Sure kazlam. Bayibona le namanje. Wala matla awusinathi stats. Bekuba mnanzi njani ngasinathela. U30 competition.
Oh, yeah, ne.
Nasithole ichibuki besiponsa.
Ne.
Enephovela esibhadla tisi.
Yeah.
Lento le phela ifikile namhla esipanini. Sigcine singakayitsinza ngisho khumbula.
Kusho iple?
Sandile coach. Oh. Uthi ufuna kusinika tshwala lobuyi1 sipush. Ukhodliwe. Mara
Eno promoter tinda. Promoter jwala.
Alcohol.
Yeah, we rap ya SAP and ubona onke cishe ama brands lamaningana, especially these new ones. No, so good rough. Mara le endlini ku right.
Yeah, indlini kushap. Imoto safe.
Le yakakhe lomfethu.
Yaka because nginokupaka lapha.
Ngale kuye? Yabona.
That's why ovaka ngichecka ukuthi imoto isharp na.
Lo mfati ube chuck ne?
Uvuse ngilolo ngimfonelako mina. Lo lathi umbona ndlula uye kwamgogotela wathi eyiphangisa ukhipha imoto lapha upake khona. Lo mlilo ngasuyazuba uyogcina lokhetha nemoto.
Yo,
but I kusharp bathi sharp imoto uyikhiphe. So that's why I check ukuthi ngiyobuya esikhathini ufuna ukuthi sale ngiyosebhaka ekhaya ku. Because manje ngisilokuthi imvula kunile so mayofika endlini like kuyagubheka lo mgwaco.
Yeah,
so imoto lencane akusilula ukuthi ngakhona kuhamba.
Mina wena no leti uma lokuthi busy tendeka utibona uhlala lapha full time vele.
Ayibafo mina ngithi
ngoba lo muntu ungimakhelwana phela.
Ngisatohlala mina.
Yeah ne?
Yeah.
Now nentakho
Ngisatohlala wena bafo the reason why ngithi ngisatohlala yabo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngwakamakhelwane
kahle.
Yeah, akufuni mina.
Yeah ne.
As long ukunga affect yabo njengamanje if ukuthi bekutholakala imoto seyilimele then I left to worry ukuthi lo muntu kani ngimase sekufuna ngibambisane naye manje sibuke lo muntu ngoba nami sikunala ngilimele khona. But so far if ukuthi wena uronge umuntu angeke aze angene ngale abambe wena so uyabuya utobamba mina. Mara mangabe ngikulekelele kumronga lo muntu uyobosibamba soyithuve.
Kanti mina emaqinisweni angifuni nje kushona lena le mina ngiyabona ukuthi ngithembile. Ngifunde kuyihloniphisa.
Yabona ulikhulumile leli gama once kwaba nebantwana. Once wabangibawela ekhaya. Ngeke ubaleke.
Kahle.
Sho makubaleka labantwana bona sebathi baphephele kubani.
Hey mina kethu. Uyabona into leyo vele abantu ufuna sibatshele. Kunabo babela abasaba inyoka yade. Abanye basaba nesicoco.
Nesicoco.
Mkhabelo wakhona kubamba isicoco nje na.
Mina ngengavuka ngathola lesiqoqo esimhlophe sihleli ku rail song.
Yeah. Uskiphe njani?
Cha kodwa ngaphuma ngabida lisetho. Manje buka inyoka ngisaphi.
Sho ukuthi ungayibamba ke uyibambe uyiphakamise phansi phezulu.
Angeke mara endlini itinyoka ngitholile ngadila nathi mara ngiyabuka ukuthi uhlobo lo. So ngibona kakhulu National Geographic understand ukuthi lesiqoqo lezi ngilesiya.
It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Mina shothi singibulala.
Kanjani endlini ngoba emafastora ngasibe wavaliwe. Kumbe sangena a day before. Ngasibona lesiqoqo ukuthi ngilele ngiyavuka ngibona something yabona lokuthi sometimes ngicabanga mhlawumbe 50.
Ubona yeah.
Uthi hayi manje ngaphuma ngathi ngizama iplan. Ngabuya ngasithola sesingekho ngaphi mlo ngathi kunesiqoqo la. Yeah, kusaba medical. Mina ngibelieve ukuthi kusaba medical.
Yeah, that's true.
Yebo
Kanzima ungathi kulula kungasabi.
Yeah, lwathi lehlupha.
Yeah, lwathi liyahlupha la kusabe.
Yeah, but in most of the cases I think njengoba ngisho ngisinamanje while driver. The fact ukuthi the past few weeks bekunema accident la. Noma ngabe igap beyivuleka ukuthi ngingakhona kuhamba. But thinking
extra careful.
Yeah, thinking ukuthi yovuleka igap ngithi ngiyahamba kunalomunye naye lo jahe njengami naye ubona igap ivulekile sobambana sesisekhoneni ngalana ama truck amemeni ayale.
So ayibone the outcome na kusho kahle bana baphila bajustikile lo mhlaba ungaba safe. Ku straight no.
Yeah, lwathi.
Yeah, I think yeah, but nakhona I think too much of knowledge igcina seyamosha ngoba lo munye ugcina sekenda into knowing ukuthi ngiyati ukuthi mang overtake lana lapha kuleli curve ngiyothola kungana lutho ngani ngale body uthola kungana lutho every time maka ukuthi leti moto tikumoshi mafika thole sekune puncher ke.
Mana now the question is angisho lo muntu uma well equipped and well knowledged ukuthi letingoti la kudlala mina ngifuna ukutshela kunanama sign la lafakwa ke yabo la ukuthi vele leni dangerous area yabona nama sign lawo ne uthi now cha noma ngabe uMichael Schumacher namgwaqeni uthi now cha
uyibona le sign
ayibhuti lo moya uyabuya
ukuthi
ngafuna ngeke lekuphapha.
Also phela let mina ngithanda ukuhlukanisa yabona thina ngeSwati sithi ingoti.
Yeah.
Ngesilungu sithi accident.
Yeah.
Chuma gama langafani.
Okay.
Ngala uphosisile.
Yeah.
Ngala ingoti.
Ingoti.
Kuphunyukele lokwendeke ngale emgwaqeni. Akusikuthi uyayicalculator lento ibe perfect.
Then ushaje ukuthi sekune mistake thi.
Uphosiseke. Ingoti ngeSwati I justify lento kahle kahle.
Yeah. Ngoba takuthi sonke umuntu enda amaphutha.
Asithola igama leli kahle leSwati lokuchaza
lemigwaqeni ne.
Ngobe unokushaya iblind spot. Phela iblind spot usanokuchecka konke ubone right angathi labanye abantu uzewusweka ukuthi bacheckile mhlawumbe adjuste mhlawumbe usekhawash afana ba
adjust emira baqeda kusula sibuko
accident
Emna mani ngancane bambe lapha yabo ukele waba involved in an accident when no this guy ne there's something nengi notice ngaye yabona excel out there yabona driving ehlonipha yeah respect guy he's one of the guys that I trust
in terms of driving
yabo kunebantu mina kethu yabona labanebudlapha by nature lamgwaqeni mine ngihambe nebantu laba driver yathi nomuntu drive for years nale minyaka la kayidrivile yayindlula leya kami yabo
yokuphila
leya kami yokudrive uyangidlula ngeminyaka la kule driving yabo but lo mfethu akekho discipline ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi show ukuthi angeke abe discipline
kakhe lapha emgwaqeni.
itoba khona le mistake yabona liphutsa litowendeka yabo mara lendekele ebdlabheni
Utshele yena ukuthi right.
exactly
Yeah, hey yabona leyo nabafa bona there's kunalomnye babi lo ngikhula vele uya drive. Till to date
yeah
uma asuka le moto you will feel the accelerate uthi sedude.
yeah
And uma ayichinja uyombona ukuthi le moto ichinja ukuthi akalwi noma ngabajahe nganani unjalo nje. And ngigibele le moto yakhe several times.
yeah
Believe me, you won't feel the gears makachinja. Uyahamba nje kahle. And looking at the point ye mechanic imoto le fana na imoto le driver ngilomuntu loyo ngithenga ngivale emehlo.
yeah ne
Angicabanga lokuningi because akunama high ref. Akuna lo muntu angahamba nge-clutch plate maybe more than 8-10 years.
Me,
nalamfethu yeah
I've never changed.
I remember Renault it's yeah and
Vele ngayithola kuyi-Renault.
yeah. So that's one of the things. There's a difference between a fast driver and a reckless driver.
exactly
Cause lolo fast auto calculate 2-3 emakar abuye spacing. But lolo reckless uthi nanoma ngabe sekabona ukuthi la 2-3 emakar wa overtakeile une space clean ukuthi angangena a relax achubeka hambe. Ngoba kune car lenye phambi kwakhe sekumele abe number 1. And ngaleso sikhathi so uyamosha manje because the capacity taleti moto atifana. Qhamuka wamba ngesibheva makandlula bayambona ukuthi undlulile. So ubukalele lapha phambili uthi anale yamusingasala ngishaya. Kanti overtake le 2-3 emakar space relax kube clean again. So I think ingilendo lebantu labangakhona ukuunderstand lobo fast nalobo reckless. Lo munye auto driver njengoba usho ukuthi lo muntu uhambe naye iminyaka yakhe yokudriver idlula le yakakho. But
uma ngitibuka mina
akawuhloniphi
way better than him
yeah.
ene lokho ke phela angikhulumeli emna kunokudrive icar yabo
Yeah.
lokuyi operator le moto yabo
Yeah. Ukhulume
uGrant.
naye.
uGrant ngifuna ngivise kahle lo muntu uGrant uoperator Grant icar and icar yakhe naye mhlambe might be one of the cars that you can buy uvale emehlo
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
mara le ngendlela le operator ngayo yona le moto nayi driver ngwe la mgwaceni
Ingalenye indlela.
yeah into leshayishaya lama calculations la kawendako
Yeah.
nase kangena emgwaceni
Aish.
But umuntu uyi-personality like i-driving yakho kuba yi-extension ye-personality yakho.
Ne?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I've
ne?
noticed. Calm people drive calm. Labangani bethu labani ibzizizi lababehave ngathi bashaya imgezi. But driver the way
yeah ne
babehave ngakhona.
hey labo bantu baloyiwe si
And then comes the other issue, and it's the roadworthiness of a car.
Yeah.
Number 2. Because accent to don't get the cause of ube reckless. Sometimes awanga nemali washintsha amataya.
Yeah.
2, you could be on your phone. Now it's going back to personality again.
Yeah.
Leyo recklessness, leyo it's an extension of behavior yakho.
ngiyithanda lento lekhulunywa emkamera shothi angeke umuntu yabona agcoke under engcolile drive kahle no he tight that
Yeah, mara van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
abesis
Yeah.
umuntu ahluleke clean ikamera lakhe bese so
Moya
driver
uphuma.
kahle emgwaqeni I discipline it's broad ne
Yeah.
Yabona yona vele. That's why mina
ngikufa.
babe bekahlala ikhuluma lento athi angeke uyophuma utimanyile umuhle estradini kodwa endlini imbhede
ubheke itu
khumbula kudzala phela kugezela emabhavini
Yeah.
afana namanje ukuthi kunemashawa kunemabhavu asema-bathroom so ngalana ushiye libhavu lemandi lapha ngalana mawugeza nalama-under langcolile asele lapha phasi so uyaphuma uye estradini wena ngalana smart clean ugrand lo muntu utokubuka lo munye utosimaka athi lo muntu uhlobile mara kuna something leshodayo
Yeah,
lesithundi lesisele lemuva
and lesisikhathi sathi sisinqetha industry ngokuvumbuka kahle basibona
Yeah.
akafaka ibi lapho
Bese
siyabona
iyavela
ukuthi hayi
ukuthi
umndlona
kahle
man
umndlona
la kuyakhona
kuna wrong
yeah
yeah kuna wrong emuva
yeah uve bathi udzake usuyakhala lapha
Yeah.
lo mnye usotqakele le baphela into la ngaphandle kuse yakutshela
yeah ne
How are we on? We've been recording.
ungahlala ngathi
hayi mina ngiyibonile kahle kahle ukuthi seyidubukile setiyabhadla njalo
yeah ne elibhadle eli phela yathi ngesami
I'm not sure. Ask them my hits.
uyayithanza ke le mfethu
My hits will be.
ngikuvile mkhabe
Yeah.
ngikuve kahle
okay akhi atichubeke dibhadle mina ngiyayithanza ke so ngiva ngathi kungaba kahle na ungadishwa bo
no
utshele abalandeli bethu ukuthi wena ungubani sigeneralize njengoba seyinjalo nje
Yeah.
yabona
ngikharim ligama
okay
ngi-Ali Sibongo
yeah
imvelaphi yami isiya yala
okay
mara ke I've learned a lot tinotala so yeah babe wase South Arabia
okay
mundu kuhamba so I'm equally an immigrant mara lophila la
that's interesting yeah that's
so
interesting
yeah ngikharemu waka Ali yeah so far
okay ubhizinisi so your business mhlambe ufana tingwenya letikhona namanje njengathi thina siyajawuhela bantu labasaba ama risk
I think now the business is still sort of kahle yeah so but busy a few things ngiko funeral industry
okay
then I do mechanic as well on my spare time
wow
yeah
I like
so
that.
but I think both these two things ngitole ngathi inhlitiyo ilapho
you know ngacala nje ukhamela lesikhala kutshela what
yeah
funeral industry
yeah
mangikubheka ngiyamtshela ngithi mina yathi ukuthi le ndoda leyana akuyifanele njani hayi ngiva ngathi you are too smart ukuthi uyabona nje ngendlela uclean ngayo
yeah
no mina nginga ukuthi le business lena ngiyayisaba ngayiniketa abantu bayo ukuthi yabona most of them then ngikubabona bafana nayo yabo
I think uyibeke kahle na for the way uclean ngakhona because mina ngesikithi njengoba ngisho ngithi imvelaphi yami yase South Arabia ngesikithi a funeral is clean more than a person lophila
really
yeah
okay
so umuntu umashonile uhlobe kakhulu
okay
yeah noma ngabe bekanetinto letingcolile emuva kwakhe but mase kahambile because ngibekise nje ungcola how many times compared to umntwana lona 3-4 months
yeah ngiyakuthola
ungcola more than wena but lo mntwana uhlala hlobile
yeah kahle kahle
yeah cause yena manje uyadla uyangcola but immediate aqeda ukudla makwakhe uyamsula wena shothi uhlobile ungandlula basamdlisa ungcolile
okay
mabuya ngalana uhlobile so wena utongcola kayi wanto ngcola langa lonke
yeah
ukuthi angitsinzito
yeah
but lo yamntwana ungcolile manje uhlobile still wearing the very same clothes
ungenda ngibe suspicious ngokwathi even more of ngala kithi sithi masiko
Yeah,
yabo. I don't know what you guys call it ngale South Arabia. Emasiko enu mhlambe inqubo mgomo or whatsoever it can be. Sengifisa nje kwathi ukuthi emenjani if you would uwacathanise mhlambe nalawa ngala kithi.
But to be honest ne masiko
Yeah.
angeke azashintshe.
Yes.
But the only thing lekhona ukuthi njengoba besakhuluma ukuthi discipline it's broad.
Kahle.
Yeah. So the only thing lekhona ukuthi lamasiko lo muntu lokushare le masiko la.
Yeah.
Ukushare le yena uwathole njani?
Okay.
The person uyikhiphe lendo soli original njengale nzabuko.
Yes.
Or so ispicile.
Yeah.
What's look akusana nzaba noma ungakakwendanga ungakwenda so but you understand. So that's why ungiva ngithi funeral is clean because mina from the person le angifundisela amasiko bekayihlonipha kakhulu funeral.
Okay.
Beningacabana if uyofika umoshe ngesikhathi se funeral. Lapho ngila ngafuna lutho khona ke ukutshela kahle ukuthi we respect the person lo hambile up until siye kombeka enzaweni yakhe yokugcina. So ayafana amasiko njengoba usabuda wona but ke with us thine la masiko it's ahlangene ne religion.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisho njalo.
Okay.
Because I've noticed ukuthi la eMzansi
Yeah.
religion nelisiko kunokuklasha sometimes.
Ngikuconzise kahle wona mnakethu akuklashi akuhlangana.
Akuhlangana.
Yeah, according to la simunya khona letimfundiso talamasiko yabona.
Yeah.
Ya mina ngente kakhudlwana le research emasiko because angishona lo msebenzi lesiwenda la vele uphusha lenzaba emasiko kakhudlwana.
Yeah.
So nginakile ukuthi it's two different aspects or ngabeka ngithi into letihleleke ngokungafani uyabo ngendlela yabo but mina based on my researches lesenginawo mina
Yeah.
indvo yinye ihlukaniswa ngithi
Isengilo ngisho kona sebayispice lento.
yeah
Ingilase ihlukana khona. Kani ke ngalana kuIslam okay mina I'm a Muslim.
okay
Yeah. So ngala kuIslam the reason why ngithi lamasiko nale religion cishe kuba into leyiwana.
okay
Because lo yoba ukwenda ngaleso sikhathi lokwenda ngaso uyafana ncamashi nangala kulelisiko.
Okay.
Ngoba uyothi mabakutshela ukuthi uma uya ku funeral you need to respect yourself.
okay
Akumelanga ngibekise njenganyalo funerals of this day semaphathi. Umuntu uya ku funeral uyabshaya unathile lo munye uya ku funeral akasagcwanga ngendlela le right. So kuba sekuba naloko nje
ulahleka
ulahleka lenhlonipho yalomsebenzi.
yeah
Kanti ngalana kuIslam that's why uma kune maid we call it maid basuka basho lo muntu useka ashonile.
okay
Uma kune maid la khaya like kunalomuntu oshonile la khaya angeke kuve kunebantu labarasako misindo noma ngabe ukhona lo msindo ngoba vele makunema funeral misindo iphili
Yeah.
khona mara ngala kulelisiko le mina ngikhulele kulo uma kune maid noma ngabe nifuna kulwa nibange emsindo na argue about something kuyoba ngilo ukuthi mase sicedile lana sito sesihlala phansi siyayikhuluma.
okay
And remember uma ufuna kubanga umsindo manje ngithi mina man but isicethe lokuthi uyasisikhuluma uyaphola by that time.
okay yeah
Uma uphola mase sibe sihlala phansi sikhuluma lena awusanayo leya level leya
ye anger
maybe through the process yokuthi uphole wayilumele ukuthi sicethe lokho na udodi khuphula utibisa utibude imibuto ukuthi nje akusingi imle ngirong maybe nami ngiprocess somewhere that's why so yabona ukuthi ngilelisiko
yeah ngiyathola
so check mina ngithi ngidokubisete emva kancane ne ngicela ujule kakhulu about inzabuko yakho kufika kwakho lana uhlaliseke kuphi owakuphi. Number 2, usakhuluma ngale mayiti, you are a Muslim brother.
Yeah.
Lo msebenzi lo wendako, is it only exclusive to the Islamic community or abroad? And then utawube uyachubeka, but the key thing mhlambe like inzabuko yakho, like ufike njani? Angizokhuluma Swati phela abantu batawumangala
And ukhuluma sona straight.
ibuye Saudi Arabia, yeah? South Arabia.
Yeah, South Arabia. Okay,
Ufike like bona ngakhi? How did it happen?
kukhuluma liqiniso wena mfo. Babe nguwe umuntu wase South Arabia.
Yeah.
Okay.
So by default ngenxa yokufunza lemihambo kuye nami ngidibone sengingum South Arabia ngokwendalo. So mina ngikutalwa ngwala eMzansi.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngokutalwa ngwala eMzansi, ngikhulela la eMzansi. Lo mdala nguye lafike lana asemncane makayicoca lenzaba.
Okay.
So ufika semncane ngaba nale lucky ke ukuthi kufika kwakhe lana he was multilingual. Uyakhuluma cishe tilwimi lehlukahlukene. So nami ngamunya njalo lapha, but one thing that he will always say ukuthi ungatikhohlwa ukuthi ungibani.
Okay.
Yeah, every time uma kwendeka something bekakhona ke kusilalisa phasi lapha ekhaya asichazele ukuthi nine nibantu benzabuke leso. Nine kuphila kwenu kuso. Yes, niphila la eMzansi manje. Tiningi tindo letiqhamukako letifikako mara lekufuna utati wena ukuthi ungibani, uqhamukaphi, uyapi. I-continuation yalokubuta ukuthi on the funeral business is it kuma Muslim kuphela or ngisho ukuthi both side.
Okay.
But ke njengoba still ngiyabuyela ukuthi mihambo yabo the Islam funeral it's different from the Christianity. Ngayiphi indlela we don't do coffins uma singcwatshwa.
Okay.
We use what is called a kafan. We call it a kafan, sort of like a white cloth.
Okay.
Le Bible lefunzwa le bathi waphuthelwa ngayo Jesu mabaya kombeka lapha.
Okay.
So we call it a kafan. We don't do coffins. Ganike ngala ku Christianity they do coffins. And these days it's even worse. Sekunema coffin abo Gucci, nema coffin abo LV, sekunema coffin ema glass. So sekuya ngesikhwama semundu ukuthi yena ufuna kujabulisa ngayiphi indlela, which it's not wrong. Ubasuka honorisha lo am honorishako o afeza lo bamchazele kona ukuthi akafeze kona. But ke on the funeral industry it's both side, Islam and Christianity, but I do more of Christianity.
Okay.
Because ngala ku Islam mamuntu ashonile unemala unamala kubonakala.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, because
so ngale magama ayinamali le business ngala ku Islam.
yeah, ayinamali ngala ku Islam wena bhuti ngayiphi indlela akunadidayela.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi noma u rich unema million ku account yakho ragcwele ma safe light indlini angeke sikubone.
No, mina wena Ali, sorry kukhatha bo. Mina nokubita Ali ngoba igama lakho lasestratini. Emnakethu ngifuna uvele kahle ngale business wabona. Angifuni nje ukuthi ubhaqabhaqe yathi uzabe bona. Ngifuna abantu bayiconze lento lena ukuthi lento le bayitako letitayela ti hayi kusti wrong ti kahle ngoba tifaka imali kuphi
e-business.
Exactly. You understand? Labo Gucci nalabo Louis Vuitton yonke into lene. Funa bachubeke bayende.
Yeah, that's why nalama coffin bawa design. Ngoba umuntu angithi uba aqhamuka atofuna lo lafuna.
Yes.
like for instance njengamanje ngithe ngena ku internet ngiyagooglisha ngibone sebena nelipampers le Gucci
Yeah, ngathi ngibone le
Fabian ne
Yeah, ngibone le Pampers
yeah,
le
so
Fabian.
so yabona ukuthi obviously lento ibe requestwa yini my clients
Yeah.
so batoqhubeka vele basatowakha ngokuhlukahlukana nama coffee
If it brings in the money, then do
then-
it for the
yeah.
clients.
Cause nami angeke ngize ngithi I'm a Muslim angifuni le mali yabo cause labantwana badla
Yeah.
business le ekhaya le
Yes.
ya operator
Kuva kahle.
mara uma kuyoba kushonela umuntu lo angummuslim uhamba ngendlela yokuthi ungummuslim that's why akuna police tukuma muslim
Okay.
kude muslim notomthola abhadala ipolice like lokho mosingcwabisane angabhadala amapolice yakhe le kulaba labakhipha ama cash yo Sanlam yo Liberty Metropolitan your Old Mutual then lapho uyabhadala lo muntu knowing exactly ukuthi uma ahambe emhlabeni labantwana bana something
Okay.
because remember with us ma Muslim if ngiyoshona namuhla kusase elekseni kuyothi kusakusasa ngiba ngibekiwe
Yeah, ne?
so lesikhathi sokuthi kunebantu labeta abatokhala la khaya kufuna kuphekwe le mali le sometimes they might even claim it say bangcwabe nokungcwaba because ngiyashona namuhla they go and do my death certificate because that's procedure mabaqhamuka le kwenda ama death certificate if ngishona ekseni baphuma ngaloyo 8 9 10 lo yabona ama death certificate by the time babuye le bohlangana nejeneza isiphuma egedeni seya eKabristan say emathuneni or ijeneza it's more like a coffin but it's designed to carry lo muntu lo shonile
Ngathi kungathi kusikhafunyana so.
ngiyavala la
Yavala, yes.
yeah so that's why ngithi noma ngabe u rich angeke kuze kubonakala because we all using the very same jeneza
Yeah.
uma kufika le mathuneni the jeneza iyavula uyaphuma laphana then uyiswa kahle phansi
Rich or poor,
rich or-
Skaftini.
kuya lapha
So nani nihamba ngale protocol ya 6 feet under or
ya nguye lo 6 feet vele
awuye eceleni.
no kuya ngemehluko walokugubha kwalomgodi because ugujwa kayi2 kukhona ukuthi uyagubha uye esideni lo babita uthi tunnel then say kunale ukuthi uyagubha then uphinde ugubhela emkhathini uye phansi ngilake lo muntu lo ushonile bese uhlala khona ulala khona la phansi la
So uma let's take for instance kwendiwa le system le ukuthi kugujwa lapha past there.
yeah
Shows manje the exact angle la kufakwa khona nomlayelo la khona. Niyambonya lapha.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
yeah iyavaleka lapha ngoba ngelisiko leIslam the reason why we don't do coffins akufuneki lokuyinsimbi la emhlabathini ngoba ngalemvelaphi ithi lo mhlabathi uma ukhavekile lapha le ndunduma mina babe bekahlala icoca njalo kimi bekahlala ibekisa ngayo nje ukuthi le yandunduma yalomhlabathi ilingiswa o ifanekiswa njengamake lotithwele.
Okay.
So akukude make lokuba atotithwala kube kunedi insimbi tepikiri ma screw fly siswini ube uphila nawo la phakathi siswini.
Okay.
Yeah. So le yandwangu lemhlophe leya ngilele arepha ngayo lo muntu ufakwa lapha phakathi emgotsini. That angle njengoba usho uyagujwa phindwe kugujwela emkhathini ngila olala khona then kubuya maplanka like aya cover akunamhlabathi lo yofika straight esikhumbeni salomuntu then say kubuya umhlabathi ke kuyakhava kiwe tu
Emnakethu ngwede la yathi kunento lengayiva ngangayithembi yabona.
okay
Angisho mina ngiyathi ukuthi kunabo postmortem in most of the time ngala kithi ngathi kuthi kwendiwa uma ngabe mhlambe lo muntu angafanga indlela eright yabona. Mara lokulengakuva ngeva ngathi ngala kini kungumthetho ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ayoflashwa ahamba clean
ayikho into lefana nale
ayikho into lefana nale kuthi ngelipipe lifakwa lana
liphume cha
umuntu akakhe konke lokudla le mhlambe washona clean
kude lokufana naloko I think uma ngabe beyikhona into lefana nale beyoba exercise wa even na Christianity because sikhuluma ngemuntu lophilako loyiwana
ne
so ayikho into lefana nale the only thing le bantu bangakhona kuyi understand wona bhuti yabo
yes
bebanga understand the procedure yokuthi lo muslim ushonile nangu ushonele ekhaya ne
yeah
so la khaya space isincane
okay
to perform ikhusala we talking of kugezisa lo muntu lo shonile
okay
we call it ikhusala so le space isincane la ekhaya to perform le khusala leyo
okay
lekuyofuneka kwendiweni utothathwa lo muntu ayiswe to the nearest masjid esondweni ngila because la ema masjid kunendzawo leyakhelwe vele ukuthi this is where you will do the mayit ikhusala yale mayit so kuba simple ke because njenganyalo kuma moshari kuba khona lama basin ukuthi bageziselwa la
okay.
So nalapha emasjid kuba nespace ukuthi lana ngila kugeziselwa khona labantu lese bahambile should ekhaya kungabi nespace then utothatha lo muntu ayile so ngoba angeke kubitwe wonke lo muntu mase kuyowenda leyo khosala le kutobitwa laba lebati indlela yokwenda leyo khosala
okay
lo ngala ngaphandle angimakhelwane angumkristian naye atoncedisa uma bathi kiwe esondweni naye tosukuma esondweni lema muslim abe aqala kungena bathi mabangena lapha ke njengoba usho ukuthi maseka lemngcwabeni afaka ibhiya
yeah
ukhuluma into lenye le angakayibonanga and leso sikhathi akafikanga le eceleni nalomgodi uma le stradini solo yabushaya
yeah
naye lo makahleli lapha ekudzeni lapha kunokuthi abude kuthi kanti lapha kungenwa khona kwendakalana utobe sochamuka neinformation le wrong yana indzaba bangena lapha baya bapress amathumbu we grew up basho njalo vele but thine the people who know what's happening mina vele ngikhule ngibatshela bengibachazela abantu ukuthi ayikho into lefana naleyo uma ngabe uNkulunkulu atokhumbula lomunye ngidokubita ungene nami ube udoba sowuyema ke la eceleni wena uyabuka ukuthi kwendakalani kuze kusasa utokhona ukuthi uchazele labanye ukuthi akunakufaka lipipe it's a normal khusala lebayendako nje namanje mamoshari lebayisebenzisa ukuthi bagezisa umuntu loshonile abe soyagcokiswa ungene ekukhofeni yakhe ahamba emathuneni
yabona wena umuntu lofila usamsabi ne
cha ngisamsaba
ukile wamsaba
ngile ngamsaba
njengami ngiyamsaba umuntu ofila
ngile ngamsaba mnakethu but kufunza kwami nokungena kule industry ne ngiko le ngakhona understand ukuthi cha umuntu lohambile uyafanele nje nomntwana lolele
yeah ne
ya uthulile akasakhuluma yabona umntwana nje uma umgezisa umntwana lomncane ulalela wena uma uguqula uyisanga lana ulalela wena uguqula uyisanga la ulalela wena noma umgcokisa yebo yena utobadlala ngoba ngithi umncane uma ubhizi umgcokisa lapha netinyawo tiyadlala but lo yake akasadlali intinyawo sengiwe lokhona lokuhambisa tandla ke uyamgcokisa wende konke lo kodwa
kuthi wena alibani baganga ne le ngeke ngeva lokunye bathi lo muntu wathathwa lapha I forensic isengam attend yabo wathathwa abantu bakubo
athathwa kuphi endlini
kusini
okay kusini
lafele khona bamenda lokulabamenda kona
kuliphi kulesihlangothi leIslam kumbe kuChristianity
ngathi khona ngalabo Christianity
okay
I think so yabo awusingibeke ngithi labantu bemasiko
okay
yeah wathathwa lo muntu okay kwasona kufikwa ngisho ufuna bacale lamaphoyisa attended nale forensic attended lapha then they can do whatsoever mara laba ngendlela ngeva ngayo bathi batshelwa laba
kwatshelwa le forensic nemaphoyisa.
Amaphoyisa kusilalelani la angisho niyati umuntu unebanikada bona la khaya umuntu angafa so
Yeah.
before nini nimbamba funa simende lokule kumele simende kona. So ungena ngifise kwati ukuthi duke abantu lapha endiwe letinto leto, how do you attend la mahusani mhlambe le husani ngala
Islam.
ya hayi ngala Islam ngala
Christianity. Kunalendo leso wena but bantu nemasiko abo.
okay
Kodwa leyo ukuthi bangamthatha kusini ngiyayala leyo.
okay
Ngoba a forensic ngiyo lekumele, let's take an accident.
okay
I-forensic vele definitely kumele imthathe whether nini ni bantu bomndeni good angeke nize nibastop because i-procedure.
okay
Okay, uma umthatha wena because lento iso wena bafu, if lo mndeni uyashayiswa lo muntu lapha emgwaqeni then ayafika amaphoyisa afika amdeclare ukuthi lo muntu usowushonile.
yes
Ushayiswa la mgwaqeni bamdeclare ukuthi ushonile lo muntu. Noma ngabe la ekhaya it's 2 houses or even la egedeni angeke usamthatha umfake la ejardini. Because uma kufika lamaphoyisa badeclare lo muntu ukuthi ushonile kufuna ngibo laba bita i-forensic. Uma angakashoni bayababeta yini i-ambulance kuthi khona kumthatha emisephi esibhedlela. But uma sekahambile lo muntu lapha phansi kumele kubuye ini i-forensic ito khona kumthatha lapha emise ka forensic, then forensic nguye lato weseka uyasho ke ukuthi nine bemndeni buyani sendothatha umuntu weni nayo le funeral parlor le nisebenzisa yona.
okay
So if bomndeni batofika bamthathe lapha nabafu alapha phasi bathi kulamaphoyisa ne forensic animisi indzawo siyamthatha thina siwena masiko ethu. Forensic angeke sabuya namaphoyisa batomthatha ngithi ngiphi le funeral parlor letomthatha lo muntu. Cause uma ashonile lo muntu lapha kumele kube nalamaphepha laphumako la bito ukuthi ma BI 1663 la issue the death certificate.
okay
Kuna doctor lokumele awasayine. Forensic information uyipha ngibani ngulo doctor or doctor nguye la ithole information ka forensic ukuthi lo muntu lona utholakele ashayisekile. Yes akabonakala kulimala but ngenxa angithi sibaba 70 postmortem ngenxa yelithambo lelitholakala liphuka ngekhathi la bese likhoza the death. So ngikhani ke funeral parlor yakomthatha mara mase kathethwe ngilomndeni lapha phasi iyomthatha lo mndeni imyisa kuphi ekhaya.
mhlawumbe yoloyo phela umuntu lento lokuthi angisho bathi umuntu angafa uyatulwela
Mara
uyatulwela wadutshulwa
noma ngabe injalo wena bafu yabo nami kwamina mawuyongibita njenge mhambisi we funeral parlor ukuthi nangu lo muntu utholakala shayiseke emgwaqeni ukhona ulayini into angeke ngize ngiye komthatha angeke ngize ngiye
ungaba secaleni
ngisecaleni cause kumele kube ne police report lesho ukuthi lo muntu utholakala shona njani kumele kube ne report lesuka ka forensic. Mina emaphepha ngowathola ka forensic lokusho ukuthi thatha lo muntu cause lendo leyindeka lapha esikhathini esiningi uma soyofika le ka home affairs that information leyo ba ibhalwe ngilo forensic lapha ngilele bayipuncha ku system.
okay the cause of
death. So bangamane ke bende letindo tabo maseka buya le ka forensic lo muntu se bangibitile mineke ngaya komlanza ngabuya ngatomfaka emoshari se bayasho ke ukuthi thina sibantu bemasiko sifuna kwenda 1 2 3 se uyabatshela ke ukuthi cha angilaleli ukuthi ningenda tindoteni kodwa maseka afika ekhaya ngilanto wenda khona cause remember likhaya nemthetho walo. Mina angiwasebenzisi lamasiko abo ukuthi kufuna boloyelela. So mabatoloyelela la ejardini lam sengilenyenza sekuloya mina phela ngani ngimle ngimbulele ngimle ngimshayisile.
Okay but uyawathola lama request kanjani?
Yeah ayaba khona.
And how do you attend?
Ngale angali ukuthi nifune kuwenda masiko enu but immediately if uthi ngidomfuna early ngidomletha early ngaloyo Friday leyo nende lamasiko lawo le ekhaya.
But akumoshela ibhizinisi lo.
No,
Or revele it's a protocol for all the other service providers lo ngathi computer na.
cha angeke ngikhona ukusho ukuthi nabo laba bayina the very same thing, but ke I wouldn't do kufana nabo. Cause bona maybe babe kunenkulumo thide mhlambe lo muntu njengoba mina ngingasinguye umChristian yabo. Masiko ahamba different mhlambe yena uthi mabamchazela lena khona ukushesha understand ngoba mhlambe ukhule ngayo uyakhona lo understand abavela uthi ayi okay buyana into wenda lo, but ke mina kimi ngiyevele ngisho ukuthi cha akudavumelekanga la emoshara. Loku ngakhona kunipreparela yena manifike ekhaya then you'll.
But vele akusengilabe imindeni labahluphayo angisilabanye banokuthi banokuthatha emandi lekugezwa ngawo imiyadi emayidi. So niyaba nawo lama request because when you are a young person relatively speaking bafika la mapansula ala lokishini athi sifuna ukuyothela lamandi la lapha khabo bani sifuna balala sitoshayola se akhona nama conspiracies lawo kumbe nje itorta selokishini
angisengakahlangana nayo leyo ukuthi umuntu kona I know vele we grew up basho njalo ukuthi manda semoshari asebenza ukuthi alalise bantu and stuff. Ngisengakahlangana ne request lenjalo and I think futhi it will be difficult ukuthi uwathole lamandi because yabona basin yokuwasha teacher la izinkini ekitchen nale basin la ugezisela lo muntu it's just like that. So while ugezisa lamandi ayadraineka ayakudrain.
Yeah, speaking of that, ngangihlale fona vele Midrand. Somewhere there I think we saw a funeral parlor. Ngabe sengiyazibuza ukuthi if lamandi lawa they seem to be connected to the main public lines emandi.
Okay.
So uma uthi labantu bayagezwa lapha esinkini nje sengiyaphuma kancane. Are we drinking recycled water vele from the mortuary kahle?
No, a different because maspec of owning emoshar space emoshar kumele sibe na 2 ma drain.
Okay.
Khona la emoshar I drain lay one specifically for emoshar. Then lelenye ngile ukuthi manje laphuma ama toilet lama officeini kugezwa lama officeini it's a different drain.
Ophatla wasebanatha
lapha wasemamoshara
ngisho la wasema toilet
la wasema toilet aya
recycle vela ngisho
yeah aya bayawa recycle bayawa clean but lawa emoshara le drain yayo vele because angeke uyakhe emoshari kungana ama inspector.
Okay. Oh, so ihloniphekile le
yeah ngeke uyakhe there's health inspectors lekumele babuye they even check bu deep bale drain le ibukane le bukane nale mina especially njengamanje I'm busy building structure semoshara so gugubha phasi foundation even iplan yakho ngathi dwebele iplan usemoshara ufuna ibe so afike health inspector no akumelanga ibe so leli liwindow selifuna ngala selifuna ngala le kumele ibe ngala lokhu kumele kube ngale. So angeke uze wakhe structure semoshari uze uyocetha uyi1. The health inspectors kumele bafike because bakhona ukutshela ukuthi the reason why leli office ungeke ulibeke la ngoba kuna 1 2 3.
Okay, see.
So manje lamandi ayapi
aya lapha training lamandi
bese ekwende kanjani lapha
obviously yathi njalo nabafo endlini kuwe for instance I drain lelapha endlini if uyakhile igcwala after isikhathi lesinganani
forever.
So now if it takes forever remember laphana kuyamandi kuphela
I think
let heavy yabona so uma kufika isikhathi sokushisa le season yokushisa obviously lamandi ayasha so angeke ayigcwale le train because the reason why nakhona is separator kube 2 different drains uma bawasha maybe deco obviously if basebenzisa drain lay one ideco phela that means the whole of 3-4 hours kuyoba kuvulelwe manje ukuthi cleanwa le thing but laphana Washa ibhodi le-1. It doesn't even take 30 liters.
Okay.
Uyaqeda.
So manje kwasha wena.
I know kunebantu.
Kuneseven.
Yeah, kunebantu labasebenza.
Ukile wawasha.
But
Yeah,
as
I
a
did.
businessman, you've surely
I
done
did.
it.
Yeah, you will never
The
run.
experience.
You will never run something
From the
ungakadluli.
actual work, yeah.
So you first start because kumele ukhona naloko bafundzisa.
Okay.
So mina I'm lucky because I do go to most of the trainings in terms of how to handle a deceased person. Yabona. So if ngichamuka naleyo information leyo ngibuya nayo la kumele ngishare labalabala ngibafundzise before I can take them nabo because angithi the trainings awekho every time kuba ne specific time ukuthi maybe next year ngesikhathi leso then kuyoba nalama process whereby kumele babuye training. So even the employees they undergoes those training ukuthi bakhona ukufunda ukuthi how do we handle mundu, especially if unemuntu lo operator emotional.
Yeah.
Because angeke uthathe umuntu lo admin umise emotional. Lo muntu la admin awubukane nalamaphepha lava. Amabhuku uyabajoinisa, uyababhadalisa and everything. Then lolo semoshari kumele athi ukuthi umhandlisha kanjani lo muntu emoshari.
Department by department.
Department.
Ke I'm curious la. Awungitshele. Esibhedlela ne.
Yeah.
Kuyenteka lokuthi nine bemamoshwari yabona.
Yeah.
Ngigcine lapha esibhedlela nibanga labantu njengalabantu abatsekutshwala ngoba ngama-giant. Kuthi kanikane ndakalela labo.
Rare angeke kuze kwenteke wona but because obviously if you join on a certain mortuary ne immediately bathi babe so ushonile or makushonile or but ushonile lapha isibhedlela asifoneli mortuary. Isibhedlela sifonela the next of kin lokunguyilo lethela umuntu
umndeni.
Yeah. Se lolo lethela umuntu la esibhedlela nguyilo tosukuma afonele ekhaya athi hey babe sowushonile make sowushonile bhuti sowushonile whosoever sowuhambile emhlabeni then senda njani. Mina ngisengakangeni lapho ngisolo angisengakade ukuthi kwendakala
Cobo
senda njani then umndeni uyasho ukuthi sinelibhuku la kuphi nayi number phone ubadise ukuthi sekwendeke something sebayathatha le phone bayangifonela ke kimi lana sekumoshakele babe sowushonile usesibhedlela. Okay, then uma sekashonile senda njani sebayasho ukuthi sicela into sicollectela yena. So angeke kube nokubanga cause I went there on request from the family. Kukhona ke ukuthi uthola ukuthi babhadala lamabhuku bahlukahlukene.
Yeah.
La ekhaya babhadalela babe.
Okay.
Umkhavile ngingumnakeni ngimkhavile kunasese umkhavile kunabhuti lomunye umkhavile on different
companies.
Yeah.
So if kunguwe lomncane mhlambe or lomdala lebathe phone ngale la kakhulu ibhuku babuye bamlanze ngidomlanza mina abuye ngimbeke emoshari angithi ul client uyabhadala la khaya ngiyamlanza uyabuya emoshari ngilinza nini ningumndeni nibuye sekutocala ama discussion manje ukuthi okay siyongqaba nini, how do we get it, that certificate, sifuna lokho asifuna lokho ngilase ngena ke kona lamabhokisi abo Gucci nabo LV ukuthi sebathi ayilela silifuna icoffee nisifuna le. So kunokwendeka sometimes uthola ukuthi ungibitile ngoba ubhadala libhuku ngafika ngamthatha then kufike sesilomkhulu athi babe uTongqosho ngileya kami yakho bhuti cover ngani asho athi mina yakami ngicover ngalokho nalokho ngicover ngecoffee makhata tende netitulo athi sesa mina yakami babe la ngimfake khona icoffee makhata litende netitulo 7 yetimoto ama family car. It depends ukuthi le product leso uyithethe njani, catering, video, ngcono babe angcwatshwe ngile yakami.
Okay,
akubi licala nalapho
let's take for instance nje wena umthethe wena
Yeah.
lo mfana omncane sekufonele wena
Yeah.
kuqala sesilomkhulu angafiki nisebenza njani le
uyabuya nasesilomkhulu ngithi
Yeah.
makabuya nasesilomkhulu ufika la eofisini
Okay.
asho ukuthi mnikade welibhuku nguye lo ukukhuluma ngithi angithi mina ngizoba ngi-expect ukuthi sizoqala ama discussions
Yes.
makafika uyachaza ke ukuthi ekhaya sithi masisihleli phansi sicoca batholakala ukuthi sesila amkhave khona cishe indoda khona tiyabonakala so besicela kumkhipha ngala simise ngala
Okay.
akusilicala lelo angithi into lefunwa
Ngilomndeni.
ngilomndeni akasiwami phela lo muntu wemndeni so ngilendo lefuna ngilomndeni uyamkhulula lo muntu bamthatha.
So, but then they cover your cost for the car.
They cover the cost for the transportation, the storage. Should maybe we after 3-4 days, then that's what you charge them. We come remove ebusuku. There's a certain amount.
Okay.
That's within the association.
Or logo, it's predetermined by.
Yeah.
There's a regulatory body somewhere.
Exactly. There's an association in my funeral.
Okay.
So leyo vele ikhona remove ebusuku, this is what you pay. Storage, this is how much you pay storage. So that phala leta kutomthatha babe badi. Cause bathi mabasuka babe bawubudile lo mndeni ulanzwe nini? Uhlele how many days? Already baqhamuka lese bayade ukuthi we paying this much for a removal, this much for a storage. Then bamthatha bachula.
So, usakhuluma ngaloko, please talk about ema services. Maybe kukhona khona balandzeli bale show yethu laba ngakwati lekufuna bakwati, because I understand that you are a young person in this space. This thing sisibona ngathi sithapu siyathusa phela, but what makes you different yini offerishako to people? Because awuqala ibhizinisi ungafuni improve an already existing problem. Wena yini inkinga lo isolvako dengasolvanga afbob nabani.
Okay, ngicela kucolisa kancane Mkhabela before we get there ne. Ngiva ngathi kunalonga akayicethanga uto bese sowugibela kuleya. Ngifuna ucedzisele. Now lo muntu angisho bekasola kaBhatara wona mnakeje yabona. uBhatara wabhatara. Now the family decides ukuthi uyakhishwa ngala kuwe yabo.
Uyangala
Ufaka ngale ka afbob ngiyabekisa. Uyavuma lo mfana lo bekaBhatara ngala.
Yeah.
So the afbob iyakubhadara for the storage and the removal and what so on, you understand?
Yes.
Now wena kuwe seyipopo vele.
So offer lama services la kathenga ngilolo bhodo omncane.
Akuna compensation siyite letholwa ngiloya. Bathi decidele sebadliwe njalo.
Esikhathini lesiningi wena bhuti, I think that will also answer the question yangala kaMkhabela yabo.
Okay.
Aka forfeit everything.
Okay.
When uqala udrafta ipolice le ufuna wethengisela abantu.
Okay.
You look at all of those things. Ukuthi okay, should then kweneke ukuthi I'm not doing the service because it's a funeral service, not a cash payout service.
Okay.
So I'm doing a funeral service. I'm not paying cash. But because lo muntu beka vele abhadala, then kuba nale compensation ukuthi should lenye service provider imthatha to do the service. This is how much we will give you.
Okay.
Sort of a cashback, like.
But is that your personal take on this thing?
That's why I can say it goes back now to the question was how did I came about Google industry?
Utihlukanisa nalabanye.
Yeah. Because
ngathi ngidawungena kulo masingcwabisane lo. You are very lenient with your clients that.
no, okay, when I started iPhutha Chaba, I called it
Phuthari
Phuthari
Chaba.
Ucocative.
Okay. Okay.
What language is that?
Spulane, Sesotho,
Sepedi.
yeah.
Yes.
So the reason why I started this, I've been long go industry ye funeral because I worked for Old Mutual for Skatsle Seats and I
Really?
was servicing my funeral parlor.
Okay.
So I will go in and out in my say visa, and I will see how they operate.
Check on the flows.
Yeah. So up until one day, I went and attended one funeral done by another service provider, and I felt ngazuthi kunaloko
Yeah,
ngakahlaliseki
it's a
kahle.
bit unfair. Somehow.
Yeah. Then I decided, man, if mina ngingaqhamuka some strategy, angingabuki benefit when there's funeral because
Okay.
you cannot apply for death. If we were to apply for death, ngiyacabanga ngabe si-rich.
Yeah.
Ngoba bese basibhadala amapholisi sathi ukuthi maseka majorile then siyafa. So but we cannot apply for death. Sometimes ukufika lokufa kunganalutho lakhaya. Kunganamali kunganalutho. So if this iyofika lento mina then sengibuka ukuthi ngifuna ukubenefit,
Yeah.
then how am I assisting these people? Am I assisting them or ngiyabahleka? So that's why I said iphutha dichaba. Ngiyabaphutha, ngiyabanceda. Yeah, ngiyabanceda. So that if kunalesifo they can rely on me. Ukuthi asinalutho mara lapha sitokhona ukuthola lesito. Lapha nanoma ngabe siyobashoda mhlambe kutoba naleyo linear nyana yokuthi
Yeah,
okay
yeah.
athi send so kuze sikhona ukuthi sihambise lo msebenzi, then the rest is to be asixoxa ukuthi senda njani, jot it down, sayisayina, you also become honest, uyabuya udobhadala msebenzi uphelile. So that's the reason why I started this business. Kunceda abantu.
So now it's angathi khamba njani ngelesilungwini ne angifuni ukumention lama brands like I did before.
Yeah.
So there's this huge corporation legal space logo, but it's it's well established. And then now since you are from the corporate space sale industry le kwendakalani uma Dexter angakafulfillanga ema commitments wakhe to the policy to pay, let's say uyabhadara for the 6 months aphelele msebenzi, then for 2 months akabhadara the big corporation, does it forfeit the benefits of that policy according to experience yakho being from the corporate space?
Yeah.
Because lokakakho kuvakala kusindu kuhlakaniphile ku-lenient kuyamcabangela umuntu omnyama nenkinga yakhe.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm raising this point because ngicala kunotice ukuthi mabhizinisi enzabuko nemabhizinisi esilungu ahluke ekutheni ethu are compassionate, lawa they lack compassion. So are you ngicela ungihlukanisele the two, are you losing out from the corporations lawa well established if you fail to meet your financial obligations ngalana already so uchazile vele kuyadendakalela?
I think it goes back to lenzaba lesikhulumile ukuthi uma une knowledge ukhona kwenda tindo ngesineke ngendlela le right.
Yeah.
Because la kithi bendlule emnyama sibhadala on the big corporate njengoba usho, we pay the premiums every month. Uyaphela lo msebenzi. Uthi mase uphelile lo msebenzi ngoba umuntu makaphela lo msebenzi usukacabanga ngathi into letiningi. Akhohle manje lokusukuma ayele ku big corporate la bekabhadala khona. Lo muntu una 5 years abhadala lapha. Umsebenzi so uphelile. Uthi mawuphela lo msebenzi lapha kuloya 5 years loya, there's something lengendeka if you can go to them.
Oh, okay.
And sit down with them ubatshele ukuthi mina angisasebenzi nyaba. Normally that's why they have what it's called premium holiday. Because uma uphelela umsebenzi hayi ukuthi sekuphelile konke. If uphelela umsebenzi then uyasukuma uyamarketa futhi, you most definitely you'll get another job if you still fit to get a job. So Lagula premium holiday, normally they do it for 6 months. Premium holiday. So meaning you can be on premium holiday. More if you go back to then back for premium holiday for 6 months. Meaning your premiums are safe. Lagulo 6 months. Should anything happen, gulo 6 months, they will service you.
Okay.
Then in the space of that 6 months, obviously we are market of namsebenzi. You go back again. You batshela ukuthi sangotholile umsebenzi. Then they deactivate their premium holiday, uyaqhubeka ubhadala ama premiums wakho. So I think that's the leg le bantu labanye bahluleka up until uthole seyiyalapsa ku the big corporate, and when it laps on the big corporate angeke baze bakuservice vele mase kufika leso sikhathi.
So wena lakule business yakho lebuka nebantu iputha dichapa. So now you've adopted such policies now to cater for that. So as it now we are not talking about the example of the big corporate, but the person who dealer now.
Yes.
We are paying 76 months. Do you automatically activate your premium holiday, or you still expect to see the mundu etego akazel?
You know, when I Mr. Mkabela, there's this thing on this funeral industry, angeke uyirane without a backup. So we're having bona the big corporate as our backup. So uma ngithatha lama premium alama client awahlala esikhwameni sami, awahlala lapha ebank yami. Because mina mayiphuka le moto ngiloya lapha ebank yami ngiyothatha imali, ayisiyami le.
I see, yeah.
So immediately mayifika le yamali, the big corporate ufika athathe le mali angibekele yona. Should death arise, lama paper lawo lesikhuluma ngawo ukuthi forensic kumele awasayina eka Home Affairs and what. The big corporate, they are looking for those papers to confirm the death manje nani na Home Affairs ukuthi vele dekshawshonile na. Then that's when they can pay manje that funds. So ngiko ngalesikhathi esikhathini lesiningi uma babhadala lama funds ke lapha kini, then sekuyabuya kwentwa le service. So esikhathini lesiningi, if we are phela lo msebenzi, back to your question, if we are phela lo msebenzi kulo muntu ubhadala la ngithi uyaphela lo msebenzi, thine the traditional business ngayibeka kanjani, we lenient because umuntu uyakhona kuhlala 3 months angabhadala, angavela angakhulumi. Athi makavela athi eish bengiphele lo msebenzi, asiva asaphele lo msebenzi, siva mase athi bengiphele lo msebenzi, ngiyolenzaba bengingekho for 3 months mara nayi premium yakho ya 3 months.
So angabuya after 6 months sekuphele the, so uqala phasi.
Yeah, if we are 4 or 5 months kungana communication, automatically the policy lapse.
So when cover mundu at what point, like for the full package that you are offering, is it 1 month or is it 30 days from the time I sign up?
Immediately ma sign up, it's a 3 months waiting period.
Yo.
Loko kusho ukuthi usign up nyalo ne.
Yeah.
Next month uvuka ushonile.
I won't do the service because usase ku waiting period.
Yeah, the information leyo isiphunyukele kakhulu. And I mean, to be honest with you ne, ngiya understand. Yabona naso ngitshela indzaba yokuthi even you guys nani you are depending on the big corporate. Yeah, understanding, especially kule little point la Kasia when he says let's take lo muntu uphelelwa ngilesibani yabo, and when we are mad lo muntu yabo kukahle lokuthi wena ungabi nemandla ukuhamba la lapha kulo muntu success plan isiphelile phela why ungaveli manje lapho phela you are running a business, not a charity case. And the people are 100% aware of that. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi nabo bantu banebudlapha kubo kubalekela tikweletu uma bangasasebenzi.
Thank you.
Kunendlela lekahle to cover up tikweleti uma ulahlekelwa ngumsebenzi. Nobody banu nedibenda budlapha ishumayelwa kuma TikTok lento lena every time
Exactly.
kuthi na ulahlekelwa ngumsebenzi you need to attend labantu lobakweletayo
Ubatshele.
and aware them kuthi imali ayisangeni then people they can start to be lenient to you. How do you expect bantu babe lenient when they don't know anything?
Kungako umuthi TikTok ukhuluma ngalehlelo ngoba I think ali into la yi-razor kolana nathi kufuna sibutele abantu ngathi asati ngoba siyafundzisa.
Exactly, yeah.
Uyabona sikhathi ngathi siyaphunyuka bongibuta ukuthi leli jaha leli likile lahlangana neTipogo neMoshari before sicetha ukurecorda.
Yeah, imcoko na ali lena kunelijaha lengeke ngaba naloku interview before aseuchaze kancane indzaba yeTipogo wena futhi ukahle kakhulu because ngiyakubona ukuthi umuntu longasabi yabona mhlambe wena na uhlangana neSipogo wena lo ukuthi kunjani lapho ngoba sewudijwayele vele ukuthi itiyayithi ibe khona lapha eMoshari leTipogo use senibuyile ngicela nigade lana kwenekala injani lenzaba leyo dikhona eTipogo lapha
Mina kethu angifuni ukukhuluma amanga ngikaze ngahlangana naso not unless ngike ngahlangana naso situ kweform yemuntu lo hambako wanganotice kodwa akuhlangana naso Sipogo cha ngabe ngikhuluma amanga ngikaze ngahlangana naso
bantu nje batsabela
yeah angaze ngahlangana naso
Nasemoshari
naseMoshari phakathi angaze nje ngahlangana naso
mhlambe weva some funny sounds lesikhani sekuqishiwe manje wonke umswambile soyavala wevunga sekuvuleka shelf la kungene
nje uvuka
no yathi ukuthi leno injalo nabhuti I think ifana nalento yokuthi believing in what you're doing.
Okay.
Like njengoba ngisho mina lo msebenzi kimi angwendeli ukuthi ngilambile.
yes
Angwendeli ukuthi ngifuna ukuthola into letiningi. I do it with passion. Lokuthi kimi ngilendele ukuthi even if I can wake up every day and do that, right? Cause kimi nginalokuthi ngisita umphakathi.
yes
So angaze ngatholakala ngilele eMoshari but I don't think ukuthi ngaba iproblem ukuthi ngitholakale ngilele ebuthongo nje ngilale kuso ngoba ngiyakhona ukutravela nemuntu distance
ngiyafana yes
you understand
Ngiyakuva,
so uma ngabe bekuhlangana neSipogo naye lo muntu lengisuka ngimthwele ngisuka ku distance ngibuya naye eMoshari ngiyi1 beyangangiphazamisa
ngiyanguva kahle
so that's why ngithi angaze ngihlangane nato Tipogo angikhumbuli nje ke ngihlangana nato
into le mhlambe lengacaphisa ngayo balandzeli bethu nebabukeli yabo mina ke ngiyayitsanza ke utsini thuta dichaba ne phuta dichaba yes ngiyayitsanza ngakujabulela mhlambe ukuthi ubachazele ukuthi mhlambe when you want to become part of their clients yabo
okay
iphuta dichaba then what are the arrangements
iphuta
maybe you can leave your numbers and stuff and I'll even talk to the technicians basifakele nje le minimane yeah
no iphuta dichaba it's a simple service we starting from 190 premium
okay
la kule 190 premium we cover 12 people.
Okay.
We call it 11 plus 1. That's how we call it ngalagu funeral industry. Se cover 12 yebandu. Se cover 12 yebandu so we having a grocery.
Okay.
On all the policies. Sine policy 190 but 190 every month.
Okay.
Sine policy 280 every month.
Okay.
Sine policy 290 every month. Sine policy 300 rand.
Okay.
So the reason why we did Lama Premium aba low, so it's because we're looking at catering even the ones le wathola bangasebenzi. Kuna about 350 laba phumako, they can do 190 babhadale
yes.
More if ungambuka lo mnye umuntu and ask the person ukuthi uthenge airtime yamali in a month, it's more than the 190.
Yebo.
So that's why lo 190 rand it's an entry level whereby it's affordable for a person
kahle kahle
ukuthi abhadale lo 190 kuthi mase kuba nalesifo ke what we provide mase kunalesifo sinelithena netitulo lesitolo install ekhaya
okay
sibe ne grocery lesiyideliver on Friday to prepare for the service on Saturday.
Wow.
So part of the grocery it's standard.
Okay.
Standard.
Okay.
Part of the grocery deliver for a main member,
Yeah.
spouse sakhe.
Yes.
It's a 50 kg yembubu. Then sibe sesibapha 8 yema 2 kg mixed portion.
Okay.
Kube 5 liter ye cooking oil, 10 kg ye rice, 10 kg ye flour, kube I box le masoup la sachet abayi10 la ngekhathi, kube ngifish oil. So good standard all the policies aphuma naleyo package leyo.
Yeah, ne?
Yes. So the expensive premium ya 300 rand lapho ke we do catering as well.
Okay. Okay.
So la ekhaya if umuntu ashonela abhadala le policy ya 300 rand kuthi abantu labaphuma ngaphasi kwephutha lechaba to come and cook
Ngelanga
lemsebenzi.
Okay.
Yes. So ngiyo ilona le ma benefits leso.
So clear 300 rand kuphuma the very same grocery le package ngale yewona umndeni so ungakhetha kungeta and ayikuthi nabangeta kuba I problem for the caterers ukuthi basebenze. Okay.
The caterers are there to make sure ukuthi they cook.
Manbahle.
Umndeni nguyelo toti funela imenyu ngoba lamalanga ova abantu bathi bothika ama menu ngithi mabayimingcwabeni basibathika.
Bakwenda nalekini.
Bayasho bathi bothika ama menu so umndeni uyasho ukuthi thina sicela nisiphekeleni 1 2 3 menu yala khaya lebafuna yona. Then the caterers labaphekako bayose bayasho ukuthi okay manifuna ikudla lokhu so sicela nisithengeleni lokhu nalokhu babapha ilist to cook lokhu bafuna kona lapha ekhaya.
Okay.
Sithengeleni lokhu nalokhu sicela ukuthola khona masifika.
Okay.
Then uma bafika kuba njalo ke they cook they do everything.
Okay ngala kule nhlanga kule nkolo yenu loyibeka njalo ngiyathi ke ukuthi ngala kule yethu bavamile kunibita ngematshawa uma ngabe kuyendekile mhlambe kunemgcabo elichawa nakhona niyabanika kudla.
Yeah, if uthi lo muntu uyabhadala ipolice nathi uyakuthola kudla.
Yeah ne?
Yeah.
Uma ngabe mhlambe let's take for instance ubhadala le ya 300 nayo niyahamba niyobendela ama uju
ngiyahamba kuyogitara but njengoba usho yabona with the Islam part bafuna kuphekela tindo tabo in a different way.
Okay.
Yabo. So umuntu uyomthola say it's fine deliver le grocery then mina will do the rest.
Okay.
So that's why ngivile ekuceleni ngisho ngithi it's few of them lo bathola babhadala ama police on the Islam part.
No I understand.
Because there's a vast difference etindo kwende kwatindo letihlukile kakhulu.
Mina ke ngiyabonga kakhulu to have you on our show namhlanje yabhadla ungivule kakhulu athi ngiba ngathi mnofila ngisamsahabi.
No ngiyabonga mina kethu ngibonga kakhulu. I think nebantu labalalele labantu bababukele show now they will understand ukuthi
how's the life.
In
the funeral industry. Yeah no ngibonga kakhulu tiyabhadla sivamile ke kungumkhubo walakha ukuthi uma iphela lenzaba sithi tiyabhadla tibhadle lethatho bhadla sikhathi lesithe ngathi ungaphinza ubuye futhi.
No ngibideni manje ngifuna
uhlala ukhona. Tiyabhadla.
Yabonga mina kethu
Mkhabela ngiyivala so ngibona ngiyivala ne ngendiswa ngilento lophume ibara wena ukhohlakele bayathele ndadale ngithi hayi yalo sesiyivala but what's the time there asikagaba ncika kakhulu yeah ne but no we good
so far balaleli batothatha ama contact 0664277842 ngiyinamba ya kaphutha lichaba leyo more than welcome batonisita
I know. I think our technicians they'll even bafake nje lapha kule store just the information so that it can be easy for our followers ukuthi batsinzane nephutha dichaba. Angiyangena mina tukophutha dichaba mina kethu. Yeah, angifuni kusho ukuthi ngisukaphi mara ngiyanyomuka ngale.
You more than welcome.